Viewers, Assalamu alaikum to all. This is Hamza Ali Mirani, your friend on YouTube. Today, our topic is about difference between spoken and written language. Yesterday, we completed the term communication and its basic types. First one is verbal communication, and second one is non-verbal communications. And I mentioned some of the basic points that differentiate between verbal and non-verbal communications. Today our topic is about spoken and written language. Here, what is the meaning of spoken language? What does it mean to know spoken language, or what does it mean to know written language? Here something is categorical written. I hope you already will understand that is written in the board. First difference between spoken and written language is in spoken language there is no records. It means, for example, I am speaking before you people and there is no any record. When it will complete in my speech, there will be no any specific records until I record myself. It means whenever you people are speaking at formal conversations or any interviews, you speak on the particular topics, and whenever you complete the topic, there is no any specific records what you have spoken. It means spoken or oral language has no any records, while on the other side written language has record. For example, we have an essay, we have a paragraph on climate change, global warming, COVID-19, economy of Pakistan, education, etc. So many topics are there, and we people always try to write on the topics. Once the topic is completed, it is always written in the hard copy. It means we have records, we can review on that topic next day or the previous day. It means there's suitable records for that particular topic. It means written language is a record. So this is common difference between spoken and written language. Next is literacy is not required. Spoken, it means there's no anyone who is literate. Spoken language, illiterate peoples, common people, where our educational peoples or the literate people can also speak. It means there's no any dire need to be educationist or to be literate one to speak. In spoken language, there's no need of to be a literacy. It means literacy is not required in spoken language. Why? In written language, there's a literacy required. Because we have to write on some of the topics, we have to review the topics. हम रिटन लैंग्वेज में हमें ऐसा करना होता है कि हमें टॉपिक मिलता है और उस टॉपिक को हमें लिखना है. जब तक हमें उस पर्टिकुलर टॉपिक के बारे में इंफॉर्मेशन नहीं होगी, तब तक हम उस पर्टिकुलर टॉपिक को लिख नहीं सकते. यानी रिटन लैंग्वेज में हमें लिटरेसी का होना बहुत ज़रूरी है. हमें नॉलेज, हमारे पास नॉलेज लाजमन है उस टॉपिक की. मतलब रिटन language literacy is required. Literacy is must in written language. The next difference is use of body language. Use of body language, it means you speaker must present. Spoken language में speaker present होता है. यानी use of body language, it means non-verbal communications. Non-verbal communications and use of body language in spoken language. For example, I am speaking before you. This is unspoken. Because there is a particular text I have given and I am going to speak on the particular topic because I am using my body language. यानी स्पोकन लैंग्वेज के अंदर बॉडी लैंग्वेज का मैंडेटरी होना लाजमन है. बॉडी लैंग्वेज प्लेस करती है इंपॉर्टेंस रोल इन स्पोकन लैंग्वेज. while on the other side use of body language is not possible in your written language because आपको उधर एक टॉपिक दिया जाता है, आप उधर अपने हाथों से लिखते हैं उस पर्टिकुलर टॉपिक पे. आपका उधर बॉडी लैंग्वेज होना और आपकी प्रेजेंट होना मैंडेटरी नहीं है. यानी आपको उधर लिखना होता है, उधर आपकी जो बॉडी लैंग्वेज की ज़रूरत नहीं होती है. देयर इज कैटेगरिकल डिफरेंस दैट यूज ऑफ बॉडी लैंग्वेज इज नॉट पॉसिबल. मतलब रिटन लैंग्वेज में बॉडी लैंग्वेज का होना ज़रूरी नहीं है. द नेक्स्ट डिफरेंस इज वर्ड्स आर यूज्ड इन ओरल फॉर्म. Words are used in spoken language. Words are used in a spoken form, oral form. No need to write that words. हमें स्पोकन लैंग्वेज में वर्ड्स को ज़बानी बोलते जा रहे हैं. हमें स्पोकन लैंग्वेज में लिखने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ती है. while in other side words are used in written form. in written form में हमारे पास हमें कुछ लिखना होता है. हमारे लिए लिखना बहुत ज़रूरी है written form में. that's why Here it is words are used in written form. हमें जो भी कुछ मिलेगा हम उसको लिखेंगे, इसलिए इधर लिखा हुआ है कि वर्ड्स बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है written form में. The next difference is quick response. A quick response, it means take first suppose example we have a topic about economy. Now हम economy पे जब तक हम इकोनॉमी पे तेज बोल सकते हैं, इकोनॉमी पे हम क्विक रिस्पॉन्स कर सकते हैं, वो इकोनॉमी पे हम क्विक लिख नहीं सकते हैं. इट मीन्स स्पोकिंग में हमारा क्विक रिस्पॉन्स होता है, हम किसी भी टॉपिक को जल्दी बता सकते हैं. वाइल ऑन अदर साइड इन रिटन लैंग्वेज नो क्विक रिस्पॉन्स. क्विक रिस्पॉन्स रिटन लैंग्वेज में नहीं होता है.
इंटरनेट रनिंग आउट
पूछा है कैंसिल करना.